Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact TEMU customer support for account assistance. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open up the TEMU application in your mobile and you will see this kind of interface. Then tap on the view or the profile option in the bottom, and right above settings you will see customer support. Just simply tap on it and you can see these options. You have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and you can simply tap on this contact us, or you can see your recommended topics as well, like return and refund, product and stock. But if your issue is with the account, you can tap on account preferences. Here you can see various options in these options as well. But if you cannot see your option or the problem, you can tap on this contact us and you can directly contact with TEMU customer support here, as you can see. So that's how you can contact customer TEMU support. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.